In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for email design. By the end, you'll have your Canva account connected to Mailchimp so you can bring your designs straight into your campaigns without downloading or re-uploading files. Make sure you're signed in to both platforms and that you have the right permissions in Mailchimp to manage integrations. Start by opening Mailchimp in your browser and signing in. I recommend using a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, since integrations pages can sometimes be hidden on smaller screens. Once you're in, head to the integrations area. Depending on your layout, you'll find integrations in the main navigation or under your account settings. If the layout looks a little different from what you expect, don't worry. Mailchimp occasionally updates the interface. Use the search or settings menu to locate integrations. On the integrations page, look for the search bar and type Canva. Spelling matters here, so type it exactly. You should see Canva appear as an official partner option. If you don't see it immediately, try clearing any filters or refreshing the page. Make sure you're viewing the Discover section of integrations, not just your existing connections. Click Canva from the results to open the integration details. Here, you'll see what the integration does and the kinds of permissions it needs. This official connection lets Mailchimp access your Canva designs so you can insert them into emails without leaving the Mailchimp builder. It does not modify your Mailchimp audience or send emails on your behalf. It's focused on design access and importing content. Next, click Connect. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this session because you may be redirected to confirm permissions. Mailchimp will show a confirmation screen summarizing the connection. Click Continue to move ahead. This step is essentially Mailchimp confirming that you're intentionally linking to Canva and preparing to hand off to Canva's secure authorization page. You'll now see an authorization prompt from Canva. This is a standard permission request that allows Mailchimp to read selected content, like your designs and folders, so you can pull them into your email templates. Review the prompt, and when you're ready, click Allow. If you're not already signed into Canva, you'll be asked to sign in first. If you use multiple Canva workspaces or teams, double-check that you're authorizing the correct one for your Mailchimp account. Pick the workspace where your email graphics live to avoid confusion later. After you allow access, you'll be redirected back to Mailchimp, where you should see a confirmation that Canva is connected. The connection details page will typically show the status as active, along with the option to manage or disconnect the integration in the future. If the status doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. Seeing that connected badge means everything worked. Quick recap. You opened Mailchimp, went to integrations, searched for Canva, selected it, clicked connect, confirmed with continue, authorized on Canva by clicking allow, and returned to Mailchimp where the connection now shows as active. From here, you're ready to work more efficiently. When you build an email in Mailchimp, you'll be able to access your Canva designs directly so you can keep branding consistent and avoid jumping between tabs. A few tips if something doesn't go as planned. If the connect button seems unresponsive, try another browser or disable strict content blockers for the page. If you can't find Canva in the list, confirm you're in the correct account and that you have permissions to manage integrations. If the authorization loop repeats, sign out of both platforms, clear your cache, sign back in, and try again. And if your organization uses role-based access, ask an account admin to confirm your integration privileges in Mailchimp. That's it. Your Canva to Mailchimp pipeline is now in place, making it faster to design on-brand visuals in Canva and bring them straight into your email campaigns.